Welcome to Security and Privacy. Your iPhone has powerful features to protect your personal information. Let's make sure you're using them. Face ID and Touch ID are your first line of defense. They prevent anyone else from accessing your phone, apps, and payments. Use a strong passcode with 6 digits or more. Avoid obvious codes like 123,456 or your birthday. Go to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode to change it. Find My iPhone helps you locate a lost phone on a map, play a sound, lock it remotely, or erase it. Make sure it's enabled in Settings, Your Name, Find My. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Apple ID. Enable it in Settings, Your Name, Password, and Security. Check which apps have access to your location, camera, microphone, and contacts. Go to Settings, Privacy, and Security to review permissions. Safari blocks trackers and can warn you about unsafe websites. In Settings, Safari, turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and Fraudulent Website Warning. Be cautious with links in emails and texts. If something seems suspicious, don't tap it. Go directly to the website by typing the address yourself. Your iPhone is now secured. These settings protect your privacy and keep your personal information safe from threats.